Hi guys, I'm gonna talk to you about how you can have a cleaning routine and what kind of things you need to know about your cleaning routine. Like, for instance, if you don't want to be bothered cleaning your entire house, it's okay, but you need to clean a certain room. You could spend all day cleaning toilets, cleaning one room, cleaning 4 rooms, and then go on the floor the next day. You can clean the floor the next day, or you have to choose what you want to clean. You can clean the basement the other day, you can have different cleaning routines. You have to choose what cleaning routine suits your schedule. Let's say you want to clean the floors all day and the basement floors and that. Okay, so you would need to arrange a day that would suit you to do it. Another day you could do the toilets, you could do your bedroom, you can fold laundry, put away, or just tidy up or vacuum a little bit and then vacuum the next day. Don't make it that, I mean, take advice from experts. I would also recommend if you're putting your hand in the toilet and cleaning it, you need to use rubber gloves. It just kills the bugs. Or you can use flushable wipes, which I use. You can also use hydroperoxygen bleach. You can also use bleach as a cleaner, Ajax, any kind, even Comet is a good cleaner. Whatever suits your liking, fine, but you need to find a good hardwood floor cleaner or a good floor cleaner. Now, don't use too much water on a hardwood floor, it will actually ruin the cracks and it won't look good. So, keep in mind, hardwood floors, you don't want to add too much solution, too much liquid, because you're going to ruin the floors. So you have to choose how much you want to use. I recommend to clean your mop regularly and squeeze out the excess water in the mop. And then when it's a bit dry, you put it on and you use it. But you don't want it too damp because it will ruin the floors. And you have to have a good sturdy mop. Another way cleaning the floors in your routine is use a good sturdy vacuum too. Let's talk about life skills. Life skills means to do your chores, do things that suit you, and enjoy life. How many of you have different cleaning routines? Let me know.